Now I'm recording.
Please, radioactive. Yeah, let's not hush things up.
密航者どもをデッキへ上げろ。この恥さらしめが日本を裏切り陛下にあだな
Can you leave it recording?
Take it easy, Tack.
And like, don't have issues with it?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Okay, leave it there. Let's just wait.
I'm sorry. I don't speak Japanese. 誰か答えられないのか The objective.
I hope the recording comes out good because sometimes it doesn't record microphone well, but it might record you guys better because it's not from the microphone. Ooh, bucket. I forgot about the bucket.
That's glorious.
Where the hell are we getting all these nails anyway? Where's the ammo when you need it?
Oh gosh, that scared me.
I didn't even know this game existed.
It was just a zombie. I turned around and there was a zombie hitting me. It just scared me.
Yeah, you shouldn't play horror games then.
It's not horror. It's just
Yeah,
survival.
I'm saying for you not to do so.
Oh no, I like horror games though. Like Alien Isolation, that's fun.
Yeah, but if you got scared with Call of Duty zombies,
No, it's just it was just something unexpected. It wasn't like the game itself was that scary.
okay, Craig, we know the truth. It's no use in hiding it. And there's not a problem with it. We accept you the way you are.
I can strip and reassemble this bad boy. Want to see it?
Oh, I got the KN-44.
That was strange.
Maybe still don't rate your chances, Bone Jaws.
Ooh, Weevil, yes.
Say you shouldn't have. No. Max ammo helps minimize freak bags. Know my favorite part of nailing boards? None of it.
I wonder if there is someone named Satan in the world. Like a true name.
That'd be horrible. Imagine that.
That would be funny. That would be really fun.
I would hate myself if my name was that.
Why?
Who wants to be named Satan?
It's not that I want, but I don't have anything against it.
Must have been a carpenter in another life. Probably hated it.
I finished my game.
Nice.
It was a bot game, as always.
Doing yourself favors coming so close.
I installed this software to record my games.
Yeah.
I'm seeing if it works. It's Play TV.
I've never heard of that.
Yeah, it plays TV. You can share your moments, and like it focuses on the best moments of the game.
Oh no!
Like
Oh no!
your
No! 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 No!
kills.
No! 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 Oh yeah, yeah, it's like a highlights reel.
Yeah, right. You can get the whole thing going.
Oh, did it just kill all the spiders? It did! Yay!
Max ammo. That's my favorite kind.
Dude, my voice is so strange. Oh my god, I can hear myself here.
Don't look like much of anything is operational around here. There's gotta be a way to jumpstart the
How much do you think you shower?
Fine.
Okay, I got all the easy evolutions.
Yeah, you told me.
No, I got to play it on
You told me that last night.
But I have an Ivysaur and a Warforged. And the second after I evolve both of them, I catch a wild one that's oh, I caught a wild Ivysaur that was better.
Nice.
And it was like Ember and Heatwave.
We're always in Heatwave.
What?
We're always in Heatwave. She's just snoring like nobody's business now.
And Mom wants you to take a shower because she turned one of the hoses off so we can take our shower.
I like how we have
I
to.
got a quadra kill.
Just in the water.
Let me see how.
Because Mom's going to take hers after you. So,
Dude,
she wants you to do this.
the recording is so good. I loved it. I can't hear you correct. Sorry.
Dang, she's just going. I'm surprised how much I remember from this.
Dude, the fucking
This ain't gonna be the last time I have to do this.
the fucking software lagged during my quadra kill.
Hey, it's Lurker. Guess what? Radioactive Snoring. You'll hear it.
I'm not really in an arts and crafts sort of mood today.
Fuck it.
I told you she does it all the time.
I'll be honest with you. I never believed you. You're still recording, right?
Yeah, I'm still recording. I will have to go take my shower because my mom slowed down filling the pool, so we have enough water to take showers.
You have to.
Yeah, I'm
what?
recording this. Yeah.
You have to what?
I have to go take a shower because my parents slowed down filling the pool up so we can take showers.
Oh,
Because it's taking all the water.
that makes sense.
Gee, she's just going.
Sounds like that did something. What? I used to get angry over things like this. Still do.
Oh my gosh, it's getting even worse. Oh my gosh.
Let's go poke around. See what Division
That's
9's
amazing.
Please buy me
Oh.
dinner first. Right. Bring it, swamp monster.
There we go. Killed him. Oh, Otter's getting all his friends up in here.
All these webs remind me of my great aunts.
I'm here. Oh, there's someone new here.
Yeah, it's one of Otter's friends.
Blitzkrieg. Hello, Blitzkrieg. You have a German name from that German thing. Bad thing, though.
Pretty sure it's just a German name because the medic off of Team Fortress.
Also, you play shitty games too.
Wow.
Ready for all you motherless maggot munchers?
Ooh. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh, how am I dead? Oh, how? How did I live that?
What does your dad have to do with him?
What?
He said, my dad, my dad.
Oh no, I said I'm dead. I'm dead. I gotta go turn on the power so I can pack a punch my guns.
Single player games are lame.
I'm just playing the single player right now. Alright,
Yeah,
so
like I told you, single player games are lame.
I would
I
be
just
playing with
now-
people online, but they all suck at the game. So,
I just downloaded Stanley Parable.
oh, that's such a fun game.
Yeah, everybody says it's awesome. Dude, my head
Okay.
is bugging out because of his time zones. Like, I can't find a time zone that is before us.
If you look at the west coast of America,
Still operational around here.
But like, how is Australia ahead of us? If Australia is east from here.
but you're only thinking of it in one direction. You can go east or west to get there. The Earth is round.
I know, but it makes sense. Like, you go west so far that you end up like zeroing the clock and going back in. Yeah, it makes sense now. Okay, I'm looking at the world clock right now. Oh. Dude, Australia has so many time zones.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, I died. Dang it. I got too busy doing Easter eggs.
I mean, like, somewhere in the world is still Sunday. Oh, Sunday no, Monday.
Yeah.
I'm trying to find that place. But I can't.
Actually, it might not be. Because
Why not?
I think what is it, like in the middle of the Pacific somewhere is where the time zone like flips over or whatever. So I think the
Yeah.
closest you would get to that is Hawaii, and if they're not still Monday, which I don't think they are, then I don't think anyone
No,
is.
nowhere in the world is Monday anymore. Because like we are one of the last time zones, yeah.
Yeah.
Like from the east side. Yeah, that's just sad. Dude, there are so many US Anchorage, Phoenix, Los Angeles, San Francisco, Denver, Miami, Atlanta, Honolulu.